Burlington in Vermont state is the home of Ben and Jerry's, the famous American ice cream maker. Founded in 1978 as a single ice cream parlor in downtown Burlington, Ben and Jerry's is now a worldwide brand with a revenue of $450 million in 2021. The ice cream factory is located in Waterbury, Vermont, about 30 minutes south of Burlington. Surrounded by scenic mountains, it's a nice place to relax and enjoy nature. Ben Cohen and Jerry Greenfield are the founders of Ben & Jerry's Ice Cream Company. They were 27 years old when they started the business with a $12,000 investment. They learned how to make ice cream by taking a correspondence course from Pennsylvania State University. Their life is an inspiration to anyone interested in starting and growing a small business. As the saying goes, where there is a will, there is a way. This is the line to buy and try Ben & Jerry's ice cream products while waiting for the factory tour. In April 2000, Ben & Jerry's was sold to the British corporation Unilever, and it now operates as a subsidiary of
If everybody can move over here, we're going to get this tour started. You guys are going to get to see the factory. And then at the end, you guys might just get to try a sample. Right here we have our some tanks that you can check out. It's 6 tanks, each containing 5,500. So a lot of calories, probably want to stay back from there. But anyway, I'm going to be
Ben & Jerry's factory that was built in 1985 still produces up to 350,000 pints of ice cream each day. Over the years, several ice cream flavors they tried were pulled out from the market. The flavors like Devil's Food Chocolate and Peanut Popcorn are now resting in peace at this flavor graveyard. As an environmentally conscious corporation, Ben & Jerry's has a solar project that generates 0.74 megawatts of electricity at this factory.